You're watching Tammy B. Jones, where if you don't want to buy it, then just DIY it with your home Inspire. This is a little bit different. This is my sister's home, and I wanted to share with you her beautiful closet. I'm gonna do three segments because she has so much great storage, and I want to share all of this with you. This is a book that she collected, and this was a Valentine gift that her husband made for her. I thought it was great. It's their first date, their first kiss, the day she said yes, and the day they said I do. And it says Michael Love Bridget. Isn't that so sentimentally sweet? My sister closet is so fabulous. She is such an organized queen. I'm gonna say organized junkie because she's obsessed with being organized, down to the shoes. But let's just get into the good stuff because she has so much to share. Like up here, she has a lot of home decor magazines, so she's definitely into home decorating. She needs to be in the field because she has some really cool taste that would interest a lot of you guys. She's not into YouTube, so I've been trying to get her there, but she just won't do it. And she is just super organized. Like this is how she organized her jewelry, and we both have matching medallion necklaces. Hers is white, mine is gray. It was a gift that I had gifted her. Um, and then she has all of her brushes and different lipsticks and lip gloss. And then on the side there, you saw that green and blue floral. That's her Vera Bradley collection, and she's really into Tory Burks. And girl, she likes her names. Um, she has all of this makeup thanks to you, great YouTubers who always keep her updated on what's new, what's out, what's great, what works, and what don't. So she really do watch you guys and value your opinions and trust it. So there's a lot of people in the world that do. And over here behind this mirror is her book of Audrey Hepburn. She really likes her, and she has this really cool crystal book stand that she holding that book in. So, and then she has some cotton swabs and things like that over there. So in her closet, and oh, don't forget the leopard printed chairs, great. And then she has a cooler down below, a little fridge that she keeps some drinks in. So her closet starts out, it's color coded with her shoes, and then it's based on the color as well as the shades, and it goes all the way to the top. And I believe she has some shelves, six pair of shoes, some four, I mean some seven. So here is her makeup beauty desk. I'm calling it a desk or filing cabinet, pretty much. This is the way the real magic happens, where it really gets real when it comes to the makeup collection. I think she has an awesome collection, and it's so fun to go over her house because sometimes when you go over there and you play in her dressing room, which she loves, that's a key to her heart. You can walk away with some free goodies, and I do love getting some free goodies. My sister, this is the sister that bought me the Fenty collection for my birthday, and she always showering my daughter with lots of makeup and cool gifts and things like that. So you see her collection is fabulous up at the top, but wait till you see inside these drawers. So I can't even begin to tell you all the brand names that are in here, but you'll see a little NARS, you'll see, um, you probably notice more things because I'm really not a makeup person, but she has it all in here. Every brand name that you can think of, she have it all the way down to even Milani is in there. She's a big fan of Bobbi Brown, and she's a big fan of Bobbi Brown, MAC, and then some more. Whatever you introduce to her, if she liked the way it looks in the video and how you demonstrated it, she usually will check it out and order it and try it for herself. But she has a good, serious collection, you guys. You would think she was a beauty guru. I feel like I'm in a store. But wait till you see the drawers below it. I'm sorry, I'm filming with my phone. I wasn't expecting to be filming in her home, but I had to share this with you. She has a huge e.l.f. collection, and this is all her facial, like face washes and things like that, makeup removers and stuff like that in that drawer. And down below is bathing, like bath bombs and things that make you smell good, grooming stuff. And she keeps that I mean, she is so organized. And these little organizing bins, you guys, are from IKEA. Over here, she has like sponges to do your makeup, more mask, face mask, and cotton balls and makeup remover. Anything you can use to get nail polish off or wipe makeup off. And this last drawer, can you believe it? She said this is her junk drawer. I beg to differ. It's just as organized. She color code her clothing in her closet as best as she can. She keeps her shorts all nicely neat down below. And look, guys, even over here in the closet, she has another drawer for makeup. And I forgot the name of the makeup that she shared. You see those little Tiffany boxes in the back? Oh yeah, my sister got it going on a little bit. Yes, I'm like, come to my house, girl. Come do it. Over here is her clutches, and then she got some Vera Bradley and some sunglass or glass holder cases. And she's into fashion. She's a little bit on the high end, you guys. I love that about her. So, in her drawer, she's so organized, and she only wear black undergarments. So this is her black drawer of bras and panties. So she likes to wear underwear, like the matching colors all the time, so she don't have to plunder for matching sets. And so she likes that. And I'm not gonna go in all the drawers or go through her closet too in depth because this video will be super long. She keep a lot of her gym shoes and comfort shoes that she wears over here, and just more clothing. And over here in this little middle piece here is all of her blazers and jackets that she like, lightweight jackets that she like to wear with her outfits. Over here, more shoes, and she has a huge Tory Burch collection. Me and her both love Tory Burch, so I think her collection is a lot bigger than mine. And she also has a huge Coach collection, and I think she has a Tory Burch purse collection as well. But she haven't been carrying any of it since she got her Never Full Louis Vuitton as a gift when her and her husband was in New York. She has flip-flops in that drawer, and here she is walking in, catching me filming. Okay, so I'm gonna just continue. And inside she hang her pants. You can see all those Tory Burch boxes down below, and this is how she hang her pants in her closet, her casual pants, just nice and neatly. And up there is a huge Vera Bradley luggage collection set, and that's a whole video on its own.
What you didn't get was they didn't get the full scope of
the suitcase collection.
my Vera Bradley collection. So it's big.
What's in these drawers? Oh, pajamas.
In my pajamas. First two drawers pajamas. The second drawer is sweaters.
Okay, so I'm going to give you a sneak peek of her room, but I will be doing her room in depth on another video because I couldn't really film it because her husband was working on a project for us on the floor because they were giving me a camera and they were trying to figure out how to get everything off of it. But isn't this cute? That's her as a baby and her husband as a baby, and that's them together right there on that picture, and then some more of her friends. And I really love the fact how she keeps this little clear case with her eyeglasses in there for reading. And on this side here is a really smart idea is to keep a place for your chargers, for your phones and everything, so it's already plugged up. All you do is just stick your phone in that basket. And it's absolutely, now I'm gonna help her with window treatments, but she just changed everything in the room, and she put the TV on the wall, and she's gonna have someone come in and install the cords behind the wall. But her bedroom also has chairs and things like that in there. I can't wait to share it with you on the next video, but I will be doing her home in 3 parts because she has some really cool storage ideas that you have to see them. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, you guys, you know I love you and I appreciate you. So if you're new, please don't hesitate to subscribe. And if you're old, as always, hugs and love. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.